So which sectors in which countries are basically running the stock market? So if you look at the global equity sector rates from JP Morgan Asset Management here, what you see is, of course, as you'd expect in the US, when you look at the companies in IT, 35%. Okay, so the Americans are really leading the way. However, and here's something which is particularly interesting on that, in emerging markets, they've got even more exposure to IT companies. I mean, think of the like of Taiwan Semiconductor, for instance. Materials, utilities, a lot lower down. What does this mean? Well, I don't invest based on geography or sectors because that worked in the 60s, 70s, 80s when the world was less interconnected and you had less data. You would simply diversify by having something in every sector and in every country. Nowadays, because there is so much correlation, and of course, if you want growth and returns, you should be looking for concentration, albeit with downside protection. I will take what's called a bottom-up approach for our clients on the Great Investments Program. We look at individual companies to see which across every sector, across every country, are likely to perform the best with the lowest downside volatility. That means that you're going to pick the best team members. You're not saying, I'm going to positively discriminate. I've got enough Americans on my portfolio. I'm now going to have some Indians, for instance. Okay, I'm going to diversify. We don't have a diversity and inclusion policy within our portfolio. What we have instead is you have meritocratic, one based on merit policy, which is you have to be the absolute best to get into my portfolio, not least because it's my wife's pension, it's my son's ISA. Okay, so wherever you are in the world, we've got clients from everywhere. If you're interested in what we're doing, how we're doing it, continue watching these videos, save this one, but also have a look at alpeshpatel.com if you're the 1%, actually 0.1%, who want to be on the program and have it done for you and handheld by me personally and with all the team gathered, all the data gathered by my team, who are located in these various regions of the world. Okay, alpeshpatel.com is where you want to go. Thank you.